Send, go, 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 go. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Australian Rural Adventures. Today we got Mike here, Mike Gardner. Check out his YouTube channel, link in the description, here in the big 200 series.
Always steeper than it ever looks on camera, mate.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
I always say add 20%.
I reckon.
So whatever you're watching on camera right now, add 20%.
And the rest.
Oh, I feel horrible.
Nervous Pluton.
Nervous poo. It's just like powder. Look at that.
That's crazy. Yeah, okay.
Oh, this is the best bit.
Hands and knees job.
What do you reckon?
I reckon the Prado should go first.
Prado would do it? Oh, it gets horrible towards the end here, doesn't it?
Look at this, right? I mean, that's just slide territory. What goes up?
Yeah, I know. If you get to the top,
yeah.
then what do you do?
I mean,
I've never actually walked all the way to the top because nobody's ever made that far.
Okay.
Look at that. Look at this is like a rock climb. Like a literal, like what you do to spice up your mediocre relationship. You take Mr. to a rock climb. Just bring her here. What are we going to call this one, viewers? 3 climbs. Could call it the loop of death, because if you came up the hard one, back down this one, bit of a loop. What do you reckon, the loop of death? Unbelievable. There is a turnaround area at the top.
So you come back.
You could turn around and come back. ADOS here in the Prado. Oh yeah. Oh, he's going to do it. Oh, he's going to do a burnout. You hear it echo through the trees. Careful, ADOS, because you're out of the rut now at the back.
Right hand
Yeah, right hand down, mate. What do you reckon, a max track under that wheel? Yeah, he's getting you some max tracks. Here we go. Are they brand newies as well? You get
everything we've got is brand new.
so you get to tear off his max track.
Right. Whoa!
Hang on, I'll just get to sit down. I'm off. Good news, you're back in the rut. Yeah. On the rear. Yeah. You probably could roll back if you want to get out of it. You probably could. Straighten up a bit, I reckon, mate.
I reckon straighten up first.
You'll be alright. You'll be alright. You'll be alright.
Let go of the brake.
I'll go sit on the front of his car. Oh no, he's alright. I can see his face in the cab. He looks relieved. Like, oh thank God.
Thank God, my turn.
An unlocked Prado.
Yeah, unlocked.
No, thank you.
Limited slip diff.
Sweating bullets. It's doable. I think it's doable. Oh my God. Oh my God. Gone down to 20 psi on every tyre, and I've rolled out the winch rope just in case. So, wish me luck. It's your best angle.
Oh, ADOS.
You got it? Oh, perfect. Perfect. The perfect length. There you go. Winch rope to there, triply without destroying the black boy. Dampener on the winch hook and winch up. Rightio. Yeah, so we got some trouble there. Might see another send in a minute. Here's another lesson for you, Mike.
What's that?
When you go down, make sure you're going down through the bush. Probably something I wouldn't have tried if I looked down.
It's like a workout. It is a workout.
That's it. At least we've earned that cold beer. Good wrap around the winching tree. He's pretty tired now.
I'm sweat just watching you, mate.
My lungs are on fire, eh? With a little bit of a setup.
Oh no! I feel like you're going to roll it.
A little bit.
and going down is going to be just as much fun for him. I'm in hill descent mode. You're right, you're in line. Having fun? No. Oh, I lost my seatbelt.
Left hand down and walk.
Oh God! And my water bottle survived. Anyway, I've done that now. The horrible fucking loop of doom or whatever we want to call it. Done. Turn my car off. I'm gonna have a panic attack and a baby aspirin.
While I've got you guys, I just want to announce last video's giveaway winner. It was Adam. Adam, well done, mate. Get in touch in the email in the description and I'll send you out your prize. Well done, mate.
It's Mikey Boy's turn. Mike's going to try the same lane that I did. As I was coming up this part. Oh no. Oh dear. He's going this way. Send. Go. Well, it's a bloody V8, mate. Let's go interview him because he's just come up without winching. Be very interesting if he used traction control and all sorts. Oh, thanks, yeah. Give him that shit. Can we give you that shit to take back? Can we give you that to take back?
Yeah.
Talk to us about how you did it, mate.
So I put it into traction control on, had it in rock mode, and then plenty of right foot.
Roger. Yeah. Traction control on rock mode, right foot.
Rock mode.
And you've got about 20 PSI on your
Low
tires.
range, I'm down to 15 and a half.
15 and a half.
Yeah, these are a combo rock and, muddy and all terrain.
Yeah.
A 3-ply sidewall, you've got to let them down a lot.
Okay.
And then they'll bulge, otherwise 20 is too hard. So,
Very impressive, mate.
yeah, it's fun.
Proud of you.
Oh, I'm not done. Yeah.
Down he goes. You got hill descent mode?
Yeah. I'm
Same as me?
right.
Yeah.
It's a bit jerky, I find, in the cruiser, but I'll see how it goes.
Roger. My piece of trim is coming in handy as a walking stick. You good, Mike? You good? You just jump on the back, it'll lift down. No worries at all. I smoothed it off for him, I reckon that's what it is.
We kind of told him the lesson, right? What to do and what not to do.
Easy peasy. Yeah, nice. Bit of a lump here at the end, it's a bit unnerving. He's done it.
True.
There's a shitload of winch in there. I can't believe how much I had to do.
Did you pick up your piece of plastic?
Yes, it's in my back. I was using it as a walking stick. But it's done like dinner. Adrian and Lockie in the Prado there. Got about halfway up, good on them. Just needs a bit of a rear locker, I think, that Prado, and then she'll be sweet. I got up about halfway again of a different track, maybe just a bit over halfway, and then had to winch the remainder. And then after seeing everybody's attempts, Mike in the big 200 series, the V8, just blasted up the center track there, and he made it. So good on you, Mike. Is that the steepest hill climb near Perth? Well, leave in the comments below if you know of a steeper hill climb. That one is ridiculous.
I hope you enjoyed that, guys, but I'm so excited and I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's helped this channel get to 100,000 total channel views. I'm just so excited, and I just can't believe our tiny little channel has hit that milestone. I want to say an especially big thank you to our Patreons. We've got Troy, Bailey, Peter, Mike F, Jamie, Donkey, Chris Moore, Rory Madley, Ian Ambo, and Ben.
Got it. He's got it.
Stop.